Weifeng Power Machinery Equipment Company Limited is located in the beautiful kite capital of the world, Weifeng City, Shandong Province. Our company is mainly engaged in the research and development, production and sales of diesel generator, gas electric generator, and water pump units. Weifeng Power Machinery produces more than 2,000 generators a year, covering 10 to 2,000 kilowatt, using Perkins, Cummins, Weichai Power, Yuchai Power, and other well-known brands of diesel engines, and Stanford, Marathon, Siemens, and other brand name generator supporting production. The electric generator contains mute electric generator, skid-mounted electric generator, mobile power stations, suitable for various environmental applications, voltage frequency 50 Hz, 60 Hz, 220 volt, 240 volt, 380 volt, 400 volt, 440 volt, 480 volt, to meet worldwide requirements. Pump units for agricultural irrigation, fire pumps, flood relief, and drought. A variety of applications. Diesel engine can be equipped with clutch, pulley, power output, and other purposes. All products are factory production, factory assembly, can fully ensure product quality, can provide all the accessories to better serve all customers. No worries. Our company has independent import and export right. The products have been exported to India, Vietnam, Russia, Africa, South America, the Middle East, and more than 130 countries and regions. With advanced technology and innovative consciousness, strict management system, and sound service network, Weifeng Power Machinery is constantly providing customers with a full range of safe, efficient, and complete power solutions.